bicycle Osamu Goods. Osamu Goods is popular in Japan, so this makes it a Japanese exclusive deck. So in here you have the character of Osamu Goods. Here is the back design. It features the symmetrical design which says Osamu Goods on both sides. No? For the cards, ang ganda nito kasi when we open it, tingnan mo, di ba? Ang cute nung artwork niya. So you have the Joker. Ayan. Tapos you have the Joker. Pero yung artwork niya, it's more of the crayon type yung ginamit, di ba? Also, meron ka pang isang Joker dito in a different artwork style naman. And you have an extra card which features the characters ng Osamu Goods, I would assume, di ba? And for the cards, lahat ng cards merong custom artwork, di ba? Kasi tingnan mo, you have the Ace of Spades, which is usually custom artwork yan. And yung number cards niya, kada isang card, may artwork na nakalagay. Iba-iba yan per number, di ba? And for the court cards, syempre, it features the custom artwork of the Osamu Goods characters. No? Naka-lean sila na paano ba yan? Ganon, ganon. Di ba? And same with the other numbered cards, no? Ayan, may custom artwork siya. Nice party. Si Humpty Dumpty ba yan, di ba? And for the back design naman, you have the same as the box, no? So color nito, it's turquoise ba to or the teal or mga ganong kulay niya, and symmetrical siya, ibig sabihin baliktaran pwede siya. So yun lang.